You're going to love the process on this one. It's entirely different. This is called hidden wells. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Now look, when you do multiples of it, look how beautiful that is. That is really, really nice. I'm going to show you, this is such a different process. There's no HSTs, none of that stuff in this. You're going to love it. It starts with strips of fabric. So for my colors, my colored strips are all 2.5-inch wide strips, you know, standard jelly roll size. But for my whites, I cut those at 2 inches. Now, I just sewed them all together and I made many, many rows of this stuff. I'm going to cut these into squares, and at this point you only have one choice on how you do that. You need to measure how deep this is, okay? It's 9.5 inches, so that means I am going to cut 9.5-inch blocks out of this. So I'm going to do this while we talk because I was so excited about this whole process, because every now and then we get a new way of doing something and it's so much more interesting. Let me see, 9.5. And another 9.5 right here. So here we have the start of hidden wells. Look at that. That didn't go through all the way. There we go. So the next part of this, it's kind of similar to when you create an HST, but it's different. We're going to fold these right sides together, but I need to rotate the top. I want these to be just opposites, okay? They're going to crisscross when we do this. So I'm going to lay them on top of each other, and we are going to stitch 1/4 inch around the outer edge. That's all we're going to do, okay? Now I've done that on this, and when you have it, now we're going to cut the diagonal both ways. So we're essentially cutting a big X into this thing. So bear with me, and we will cut that. Rotating cutting mat, essential for this. And now is the magic. This is when it all comes together. I'm going to set this aside. Let's take these pieces first. When you open this piece up, you have 1/4 of the new quilt block, right? Every one that you open, just press them open. It doesn't matter which side that you press your seams to. This, my friends, is it. This is the Hidden Wells quilt block. See how nice that comes together? That to me is just fantastic. Piece those together in twos like that, and put those two together like that, and you have the finished product here. It's just wonderful. I hope you will give it a go. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.